5 Best 3D Printer. Here is the product number 5. Ender 3 3D Printer DIY Kit. Large print size. Product parameters: printing size 220 x 220 250 mm. Nozzle diameter: standard 0.4 mm can be changed to 0.3/0.2 mm. Materials: 1.75 mm PLA, ABS, TPU, copper, wood, carbon fiber, gradient color, etc. Here is the product number 4. KingRoon DIY 3D Printer KP3 Upgraded. Product parameters: model number, KP3. Printing technology, FDM. Nozzle quantity, 1. Auto living, MA. Machine power, 240 watts. File type, STL/OBJ/F. Printing via USB cable and TF card. Software, Cura/Slicer/Repair-Host. Here is the product number 3. Full Metal Frame High Precision DIY 3D Printer. The Z-axis is driven by TMC 2208, with low noise and high precision. The printer uses a transparent BMG extruder, which is not only stable and feeding, but also easy for maintenance. Printer can connect to Wi-Fi, and it is more convenient to print with Wi-Fi. Printer adopts 3.5-inch color touchscreen, larger screen to make operation more convenient and simple. Here is the product number 2. Artillery 3D Printer Sidewinder. Brand name, Artillery. Model number, SWX1. Bed temp, 150. Maximum printing speed, 150 mm per second. Filament, PLA, ABS, flexible PLA, wood, PVA, hips. Nozzle diameter, 0.4 mm. Molding technology, LUM. Here is the product number 1. Creality 3D Ender 3 Pro Printer. Brand name, Creality 3D. Slice software, Cura, Repair-Host. Operating system, Pro, SolidWorks, YG, 3D Max, Rhino 3D Design Software, etc. File format, STL/OBJ/G code. Molding technology, FDM. Body structure, imported V-slot aluminum bearings.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.